Me not care when nobody at all wants say Vybz Kartel are my hero. Fi be a hero, you don't necessarily have to fight for slavery and all these things, you know. You can inspire somebody and be a hero. So Vybz Kartel recently released a song called Long Live Jamaica. And it really I go review. You see me? But how we are going to review that song? We're not necessarily going to review the lyrics, you know. Him call some person name in the song, which are some hero, national hero and all these things. And them I really want to talk about. I'ma feel like say in that song here. Them Vybz Kartel really do that song here for. You see me? Not necessarily for him, but for shed some light on the hero. And that's exactly how I'm going to review it. Alright? So stay tuned.
To serve you as I serve people. In life I shall be the same. In death I shall be a terror.
Long live Jamaica.
When mine enemies are satisfied, in life I shall come back, or in death even to serve you as I serve you before. In life I shall be the same. In death I shall be terror to the foes of African liberty. So that's an excerpt from a speech Marcus Garvey did in 1924 in New York, Harlem. And this is a movement that was led by Marcus Garvey, and it's called the Harlem Renaissance. And what is the Harlem Renaissance? The Harlem Renaissance was an intellectual, social, and artistic explosion centered in Harlem, New York, in the 1920s. At the time, it was known as the New Negro Movement.
Long live Jamaica, country of the great men, the brave, strong woman then. And always remember, we hear them, we fight to make we better.
Long live Jamaica. Yo, Jano, who no love Jamaica? I guess they are not Jamaican. But from your Jamaican and you're proud of your country, yo, you have to love Jamaica. And from your love Jamaica, you have to love the roots. The people them will help to build Jamaica, the foundation them. And them people are some of the foundation. And me have to big up J Crazy Records, Panda Beat, yeah, the beat bad. Me like all your fuse the all kind of traditional dancehall or traditional sounding something will represent Jamaica with the nowadays sound. You see me? So big up to you.
You see that me did a trouble Miss Brown. See your little old woman a hustle through town with a big bag. Look at her face, clear frown. I do final say, mommy make me help out. Travel with her, go to the bus, sit down in get her and walk back in our crowd. Me feel proud, so me have to say it out loud. Jamaica land we love.
So this verse is very simple. A matter of fact, the song simple. And in the second verse, him really talk about some of the era them. But me I show you how simple but yet effective this verse is. Him say yesterday, him a travel downtown and him see a old woman, you see me, with a bag, a big bag. And him take the bag from her and travel with her, go to the bus stop, you see me, and sit her down, put her up on the bus and everything good. And this is to show that you know if you do no great big, you know if you do no big thing to be a hero in yourself. It just come with simple act of kindness. Because the youth him coulda see her struggle and don't pay her no mind. But him say, yo, you know, say I coulda my grandmother that. So me a help her with the bag. And I feel say that's why Vybz Kartel keep the part there so simple. For sure you say, you know if you do no great deal. Start off with some tiny step. You see me? You see somebody across the road and you know say them can't, them a struggle for cross the road. Help them cross the road. You see somebody phone drop and you couldn't take it and put it in your pocket and thief it. No, give them back. Some simple act of kindness go a far way. And that's how I think the Vybz Kartel I try to talk about in another verse here.
You see and bout Jesse my me hero. Still said an alcohol till me life out. Tacky crown can never ever come down. Nana crown they are same way and nana town. Me favorite hero a Paul Bogle. Was a master we fight and no like now. Some sharp sacrifice cover us is like cloud. Marcus Garvey philosophy.
So the first person talk about is Usain Bolt, which is not a national hero, but enough of we national hero, if you get what I mean. So him say Usain Bolt our hero. Usain Bolt never fight no slavery march nor nothing like that. Him never do nothing towards slavery. Usain Bolt our modern day hero. Him go Beijing, him win. Him are the fastest man in the world, yo. A hombre from out of one country part of Trelawney, from little Jamaica, are the fastest man in the world. One of the richest sports personnel in the world as well. Yo, and you know feel inspired by Usain Bolt? You see, in the beginning, me tell you say, a hero don't necessarily have to fight for your cause or not like that, you know. Him can just simply inspire you. And most definitely, you can see say, Usain Bolt inspire Vybz Kartel. And me too. And a Kartel alone.
Still said an alcohol till me life out.
And him a make you know say, not true him say Usain Bolt. Make him a go forget about Donald Quarry, Merlin Atty, and all those people before Usain Bolt. You see me? All of them collectively a hero in a them own right. Likewise, Louise Bennett. Oh, them a go on like say them don't want to make it official, so.
Taki crown can never ever come down.
This is not the first time Vybz Kartel mentioned Taki. A matter of fact, if I was to be honest, a Vybz Kartel make me really know about Taki. And that's another story. But people, we can't deny the fact that Taki do whole heap for the country and do whole heap for slavery. But then, because what you know, the Taki movement influenced the Asian Revolution in 1791. And Taki are one of the serious people. I mean, yo, Taki no joke. Taki just gather a few of him people and say, yo, watch you know, a gunshot for gunshot, you know. So long and short of the story, Taki and him crew thief 4 barrel of gunpowder. And 40 gun with shot in it. You see me? A march on some of the plantation, them a overrun it. And me I tell you, it inspire people all over Jamaica to start fight them youth here. And you know say the white people them we attack, you know? Them did have win a slavery. But it inspire them and yeah, that one, Taki a real general. And as I said earlier on, Taki rebellion influenced the 80 revolution. So you can read up about that. Chaddy a teaching all about history today, you know.
Nana crown they you see him with a Nana town.
Nana crown they you see him with a Nana town. I think he mean to say more town still. Because a more town, Nanny of the maroon forward. And Nanny of the maroon, you know, are the only heroine, which is a female hero. Are the only heroine on the list. Correction, a while ago me say, yo, Vybz Kartel mean more town. No, him actually mean Nana town. Because Nana town was a maroon town led by Nanny. So that's why it named Nana town. But people, yo, I'm happy if you do that video here because it teach me so much about my history I never know. So Nanny was rebellious. You see me? Nanny not in the slavery thing. Nanny was a part of the Ashanti tribe, well later known today as Ghana from Africa. You see me? So when Nanny found that Jamaica now and Nanny see what go on and Nanny say, me nah another something you know. So here we are go do. Nanny grab 2 our sister them, Mishibu, Kwashi and Shanti. Yo, I swear, me don't know if me I pronounce them people name right because guess what now? Most a Nanny thing them it not documented, you know. Most a Nanny history don't documented. So me have to watch some bag of video and I try put that video here together. So I hope me pronounce them name right. A matter of fact, me I go play the excerpt and me get this from so you get a better understanding.
She ensures that they were no longer in slavery. So what she did was to undermine the British on the plantation with the help of her 2 sisters, Mishibo, Kwashi and Shanti Rose.
So Nanny team up with her sister them and head to the hills. So when the British them start look for her now, it's like the British them can't find them because Nanny know the hills them good enough. Even do one of this Nanny forward from, but she have a good instinct. You see me? So them maroon, so to say, in the hills and nobody can find them. The British them have to import some dog from over Cuba and look for them. You see me? But Nanny, you do. So now you know a little bit about Nanny apart from saying Nanny depend the $500 Jamaican bill. Make a move on.
Me favorite hero a Paul Bogle was a master we fight and no like no.
So earlier on in the year, Vybz Kartel and Chronicler release a song when him Can't Kill We. Where in the song he make reference to Paul Bogle. Him say,
Me stove like the fire blaze like Stony got uprising.
So Stony got uprising, or the Morant Bay Rebellion, was a protest march to the courthouse by hundreds of people, led by preacher, no hero, Paul Bogle in Morant Bay, Jamaica. Some were armed with sticks and stone. After 7 men were shot and killed, the protesters attacked and burned the courthouse. In a violent confrontation with officials that followed the march, nearly 500 people were killed and a great number was flogged and punished before order was restored. Bogle was captured and hung on October 24, 1865, but his forceful demonstration achieved its objectives. So people, I feel like a writer, so I go cut the review here. I really hope you enjoy this review. And on a big man level, I still feel Vybz Kartel to be one of the national hero. Even though if Vybz Kartel become a national hero, there's a long list of people we are wait. People like Taki, people like Kodjo, whom I never mentioned. People like Louise Bennett, Usain Bolt did it first, Bob Marley did it, and a bag of people before Vybz Kartel can become a national hero. But wanna tell me in the comment section what you think about this video. Me I pray say yo, wanna find a video here informative, and if you don't like it, hit the like button. And at any given point me make a mistake, cause as I'm telling you say I research all of them here today. Portion of what me talk about today me never really know about until me research it. So Vybz Kartel make me go research. So if me make a mistake, just correct me in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And remember, one way, any other way, are the wrong way.
Long live Jamaica, country of the great men, the brave, strong woman, them.